So Harsha, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm Harsha. I've graduated in Mallareddy in this year. So my technical skills are AWS Cloud and Linux operating system.
Okay. Harsha, have you done any AWS project?
Yes, sir. 3-tier application. I've done.
Okay. So, what are the components involved in this? What are the services involved in this?
So VPC and the subnets and etc. But the main ones are VPC and instances and RDS.
RDS. Okay. So, in VPC, what are the components we have?
So subnet.
Okay.
Internet gateway, NAT gateway.
Okay.
Route tables.
Okay.
And that's it. Security groups also.
Security groups.
Yes.
So, what is different between security group and NACL?
NACL is a network access control list, sir. So it has the list of access. What do we say?
Can only allow or it can also deny?
It can allow and deny, sir. Security groups can only allow.
Allow. So it is basically on what level it gives the security, subnet level or the instance level, the NACL?
Security group was on instance level. This is on subnet level.
Excellent. So what is different between internet gateway and NAT gateway?
It's a two-way communication, sir. NAT gateway, it allows outgoing, but it will deny the incoming.
Okay. What is load balancer?
Load balancer distributes traffic into target groups, sir.
Okay. I mean, it equally distributes between multiple instances. So how do you create the auto-scaling group?
Auto-scaling. We have auto-scaling group, and we first of all we create an instance with the load balancer.
Okay.
Then we create a template, image template. Okay. It creates the instance with same configurations as the instance. Then we select it in the launch template, sir. Then we can create by selecting that launch template, we give maximum and minimum CPUs, etc. And then we can create.
When you have a 3 instance, which is minimum instance, I have terminated one instance. What happened to that?
It will create a new instance, sir.
New instance, okay. What happened if I delete the load auto-scaling?
Auto-scaling, then they all will get terminated, right, sir?
They all will get terminated. Okay. So why we use WAF?
WAF to restrict unauthorized users like IP address or countries. Some we can
on malicious traffic.
Yeah,
we use
malware
WAF.
to yes, sir.
Okay. What is security group?
Security group. So whenever we create an instance to give permissions inbound and outbound. So where the traffic is coming from, to give rules and permissions to that traffic, we use
port number basically.
Yes, sir.
What is different between EBS and EFS?
EBS is a block storage and EFS is an elastic file storage, sir.
Okay.
They are different. Sir, EFS, we can access it in different instances at a time. EBS is for a single, what do you say? We can access it in another instance then this instance also get deleted.
So what is different between regional and one zone?
Regional, one zone is at only one availability zone, sir. So if it's gone, it's gone.
Okay.
So, but the regional, we can have it different
multiple availability zone server you can attach to the
scalability is high.
Okay. So how much storage we can store in one S3 bucket?
5 TB, sir.
So each upload, how much data you can put it?
5 GB is minimum.
5 GB is minimum. Fine. Okay. What are the storage classes we have?
There are 6 S3 classes and tiers.
Storage classes and tiers.
There is standard infrequent, and there is intelligent.
Exactly. Yes.
Glacier and Glacier Deep Archive, and there is one zone, sir.
Okay. So what is the S3 lifecycle?
S3 lifecycle, to be cost effective, we transition from these, all classes, sir. So if you are using it daily, we will use standard frequent.
Okay.
But if you are using like once for a year, we use Glacier Deep Archive.
Okay.
So between them, we will transition based on some
classes. Okay, fine. What is the full form of PEM?
PEM, Privacy Enhancement Mail.
PPK?
Private putty key, sir.
Putty private key or private putty key, whatever it is. Okay, fine. So, what is multi-AZ RDS deployment?
It creates one primary and secondary databases, sir. It creates a cluster. So primary is a writer and remaining are reader.
So what happens when the primary database fail over?
It becomes a reader and the secondary one of them will become the writer.
So what is cache in RDS?
So cache is whenever most frequently the traffic will ask endpoint, right, sir? It will store it. It will store it and it will instead of retrieving it from database, it will directly give it from the cache, sir.
Excellent.
Thank you, sir.